குறள் 117 கெடுவாக வையாதுலகம் நடுவாக நன்றிக்கண் தங்கியான் தாழ்வு. உரை: நீதி என்னும் அறவாழ்வு வாழ்ந்தும் ஒருவன் வறுமைப்பட்டு போவான் என்றால் அதை வறுமை என்று உயர்ந்தோர் எண்ணவே மாட்டார். Good evening to all. Starting methods of DC motors. It is a topic now we are going to know. First, students should know what is starter or what is the need of starters. Starters are used to protect DC motors from damage that can be caused by very high current and torque during startup. They do this by providing external resistance to the motor, which is connected in series to the motor's armature winding and restricts the current to an acceptable level. Dear students, starters are used to limit the starting current, and it can be achieved by connecting external resistances in series with the armature coil. This is what explained in this slide. Let us know the prime purpose or necessity of a starter for motor. The current drawn by the armature of motor is given by the equation Ia is equal to V minus Eb whole divided by Ra, where Ia is armature current, V is supply voltage, Eb is back EMF, Ra is armature resistance. When the motor is at rest, there is no back EMF developed in the armature. That means Eb value is 0. Let us apply Eb value in the above equation, that is 0, which gives the equation V divided by Ra. For example, let the supply voltage be 220 volt, armature resistance is 0.4 ohm. Ia armature current is equal to 220 divided by 0.4, which is equal to 550 amps. But for a 5 kilowatt motor, the full load current is given by the equation I is equal to P divided by V, where P is 5000 watts, V is 220 volt. So the current value is equal to 22.7 amps. For 5 kilowatt motor, full load current is 22.7 amps. But at the time of starting, armature consumes 550 amps. It is a difference. At starting, the motor takes large amount of current, which is nearly 25 times the full load current. This excessive current has to be prevented because it would cause heavy sparking at the brushes, which may destroy the commutator and the brush also. The second reason, it causes sudden depression of the supply voltage, causing disturbances to other loads connected in the system. To reduce high starting current, a resistance is connected in series with the armature at the time of starting. If the starter is not used, what will happen? Armature consumes 15 to 20 times more than the full load current at starting time. High current blows out the fuses. It affects insulation of the coil. It also creates very high torque and it causes mechanical damage to the motor. These are all happening when starter is not provided. Protective devices in a DC motor starter: overload release coil, OLR coil, hold on coil or a no volt coil, simply called NVC. See the basic arrangement of the starter. A1, A2 indicate the armature terminals, F1, F2 indicate the field terminals. Plus minus is input terminals of supply voltage. The positive terminal is not directly connected to the armature A1. It is connected through starting resistances. This is what the basic arrangement of starter. In this diagram we have taken shunt motor. Starters for DC motors. For DC series motor, we are using 2-point starter to limit the starting current. For DC shunt motor, we are using 3-point starter to limit the starting current. For DC shunt or compound motor, we are using 4-point starter to limit the starting current. The reason for naming 2-point is the starter provided with the two terminal, that is L and A. L is indicating line, A stands for armature. 3-point starter, that is L, F, A are the three terminals involved in 3-point starter. L for line, F for field, A for armature. In 4-point starter, L, F, A, N. These are the terminals given in 4-point starter. 4 terminals, N stands for negative. Let us discuss about 3-point starter. Look at the circuit diagram of 3-point starter. starting resistance, soft iron piece, starter handle, spring, overload release coil, no volt coil, lever, triangular iron piece, all are given. Let us discuss the operation of 3-point starter. The handle is moved over the starting resistance after switching on the supply. When the handle is at stud number 1, the full starting resistance is included in series with the armature. Therefore, the starting current is reduced. When the handle is further moved from 1 to 2, 2 to 3, in this way, the resistance are cut out gradually. At the same time, the motor develops back EMF when it gathers speed. As I said earlier, two protective devices are incorporated in the starter. One is NVR, another one is OLR. Let us see about NVR, no volt release coil. The NVR is an electromagnet. The coil is connected in series with the field winding. It is connected in series with the field winding. When the handle is in on position or run position also can be called on position. The no volt coil is magnetized and attracts soft iron piece and keeps the handle in on position against spring tension. In case of failure or disconnection of supply or break in the field circuit, the NVR coil is de-energized, thereby releasing the arm which is pulled back by the spring to the off position. Let us discuss about OLR. It consists of an electromagnet connected in series with armature coil. If the motor becomes overloaded beyond a certain predetermined value, the line current or armature current increases, and hence the attracting power of electromagnet increases. Then the movable arm, see the triangular iron piece, lever, this is called a movable arm. This movable arm is lifted up and short circuits the electromagnet. If this movable arm lifted up, it short circuits the NVR coil. So it gets de-energized and the soft iron piece goes to off position. Hence the arm is released and returns to off position. This is what the function of 3-point starter. It is clearly explained in this slide. Students, kindly pause this slide. At the time of viewing this video lecture, you can read one by one, point by point. It will be easy to understand the function of 3-point starter. Whatever explained by me, it is given one by one. Let us know about the disadvantages. This 3-point starter is not suitable when we have to control the speed of the motor by connecting a variable resistance in series with the field winding. It is first disadvantage. Next one, when the speed is greater than the base speed, the no voltage coil will be de-energized and the handle will return to the off position. The reason, all you know well about the relationship between speed and flux. Speed and flux having inversely proportion. If flux is increased, speed value will be reduced. But if the value of flux reduced means speed value will be increased. When speed is increased greater than the base speed, no voltage coil will be de-energized because of OLR coil. So the handle will return to the off position. Students should know to overcome the disadvantages. How to overcome the disadvantages? For that purpose only, we are introducing 4-point starter. It is widely used for starting shunt and compound motor. Thank you all.